Hello and welcome back to one of our videos on our series on how to get corporate ready in 14 days. First of all, congratulations on the new job. Starting a new job can be exciting and daunting all at the same time, and those early days will really set the direction and momentum of your career with your new employer. Things usually start in one of two ways. First, there's the whirlwind, learning new systems, getting access rights, finding your way around, and then diving straight into the long to-do list. And to help you with this, look out for our video on prioritizing. And there's the other way, the slow start. You're reading system manuals on the intranet while the team scrambles to find something for you to occupy your time with. This is a great opportunity for you to start building relationships. In this video, we're going to talk about some simple steps that you can take to make sure you really start your new job with a bang. So if you want to know how to impress in the first week of your new job, make sure you watch this video until the end. In this video, we're going to look at how you can impress in your new job through your brand, your contacts and connections, and your impact. The important thing to remember is that the early days are like an extension of the interview process, so people are still checking you out and seeing what you're capable of and how you will fit in. The first thing to think about is, how do I want to be described by other people? Sometimes this is called your personal brand. You know that your boss and your team will be asking each other, how is it going with the new person? Stop for a minute and think about the words that you would like people to be using to describe you. Here are some to choose from. Choose about your top 3. We all would like to be described as superheroes, so self-awareness is really important for this. You need to know yourself well. And remember, it's about how you like to be described by other people. Personal brand is not only about what other people are saying, but also who is saying it. So think about the most important work relationships that you have. These are likely to include your boss, your team, maybe someone who reports into you, and your new internal and external customer base. Are the words the same for each group? Now start thinking, what can I do to be described that way by each group? Think about how you look, how you communicate, how you behave, and especially what you don't do. Now that you focus on what you'd like to be known for, the next is about getting to know people. Watch out for our videos on networking, which will give you some great practical tips on how to do this. But the main point here is to get out from behind your desk and meet as many people as you can face to face. Doing the job and being efficient is rarely enough. You need to connect with your colleagues, so don't wait to be asked for lunch. Ask others. It's great to ask, I'd really like to find out a bit more about your role. Can we grab some coffee together? Do some things that take you out of your comfort zone to connect with people. These are the moments where you really get to know people, hear what their priorities are and concerns. You probably describe yourself as a team player, so now is not the time to stand on the sidelines. Each week, keep a log. Who have you met with and what did you find about them? Finally, think about the impact you can make early on, and here are a few do's and don'ts. Do ask a lot of questions to understand, but do not make judgments early on about how things are done. Do tap into your own experience and expertise, but do not say, this is how we used to do things in my last job. Do proactively offer to contribute, but do not wait to be involved or directed. And above all, show enthusiasm and gratitude, even in the less exciting work. So for the healthy start in your new job, our first 3 areas to focus on are your brand, your connections, and your impact. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, don't forget to post them below. We love hearing from you and it helps us plan our future videos. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our next videos.